Solutions of trigonometric equations are two types. One is a principal solution and another one is a general solution. Tan theta. Tan theta is a trigonometric function. Cot theta is trigonometric function. Sec theta is trigonometric functions. Similarly, sin theta is also trigonometric function. But if you write tan theta equals to 1, now it is not trigonometric function, it is trigonometric equation. It is a trigonometric equation. Cot theta equals to, suppose you write down root 3, then it is trigonometric equation. It is not trigonometric function now. So sec theta equals to 1, sin theta equals to 1 upon root 2. So these are even trigonometric equation. So what is trigonometric equation? Any equation containing one or more than one trigonometric function. For example, here in example 1, only trigonometric function is there, only one. Whereas in the example number 2, there are the two trigonometric functions are involved. In the third example, even two trigonometric functions are involved. So any equation containing one or more than one trigonometric function is called as a trigonometric equation. So all these three are nothing but trigonometric equation. Here sin theta equals to 1 upon root 2. Then theta equals to how much? We need to find theta equals to how much. Of course we know that sin pi by 4 equals to 1 upon root 2. We already know it. But if sin theta equals to 0.3 given, if sin theta equals to 0.4 given, then what is the value of theta? So we need to find the value of theta. The finding value of theta is nothing but called as a solving trigonometric equation. So solving trigonometric equation means to find the theta value. If tan theta equals to 1, then what is theta value? Okay, if tan theta equals to suppose 3, then what is theta value? Like that. If tan theta equals to infinity, what is theta value? Like this. So we need to find theta value. So we don't know whether, for example, tan theta equals to 3 existing or not existing, we don't know. But we need to find whether theta existing or not existing. If it is existing, what is the value of theta? So in trigonometry, we need to find theta value. That is nothing but called as a solving trigonometric equations. So solution of trigonometric equations can be obtained in two ways. One is a principal solution and another one is a general solution. In this video, I am going to focus myself to teach you how to find principal solution. In next video, I shall be talking about how to find out general solution. So today let us learn how to find principal solution of trigonometric equations. Is this chart is new for you? No. This chart is you already learned in 10th standard as well as in 11th standard. So this chart will help us to find the principal solution of trigonometric equations. So first of all, let us understand what is the meaning of principal solution. After that, we'll come back to this chart. So let us define principal solution of trigonometric equation. The solution of trigonometric equation is called principal solution if theta is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 2 pi. Suppose your answer is 120 degrees, then it is a principal solution. If your answer is 270 degrees, then it is a principal solution. If theta equals to 315 degrees, then also it is a principal solution. But if theta is 500 degrees, then it is not principal solution. If theta is 10200, then it is not principal solution because these values are more than 360 degrees. 2 pi radians is equals to 360 degrees. So any solution of trigonometric equation in which theta is greater than 0 or theta equals to 0 or theta less than 2 pi, that is 360 degrees, theta is less than 360 degrees, then that solution of trigonometric equation is called as principal solution. Now how to find out principal solution? This table we are going to use to find out the principal solution of trigonometric equations. How this table has come, how to prepare this table, I have already prepared a video. You can go through it. I will provide the link of this table, how this table has come, in description box. So you can go through and learn how this table has come. But today I am going to use this table. I am going to tell you how to solve the principal solution trigonometric equations with the help of this table. So first question, find principal solution of cos theta equals to 1 upon root 2. For this we need the two tables. First is a table of standard angles and another one table of allied angles. From the table of standard angle, you see cos 45. Here is the cos and here is the 45. So cos 45 equals to 1 upon root 2. 45 can be written as pi by 4. So cos 45 equals to 1 upon root 2 implies cos theta equals to 1 upon root 2 implies theta equals to pi by 4. That is pi by 4 nothing but 45 degrees. So implies pi by 4. This pi by 4 is greater than 0 and less than 2 pi. Since pi by 4 is greater than 0 and less than 2 pi, so criteria of principal solution, the theta must be greater than 0 and less than 2 pi. This condition is satisfied. Therefore theta equals to pi by 4 is principal solution. Now second question, is there any other principal solution? To know that, we can use the table of allied angle. From table of allied angle, you see here cos 360 minus theta. Cos of 360 minus theta equals to cos theta. Cos of 360 minus theta equals to cos theta implies cos of 360 minus 45 degrees equals to cos 45 degrees. So with the help of this table of allied angle, we can find out one more value of theta for which cos theta equals to 1 upon root 2. That is cos of 360 minus 45. So theta equals to 315 degrees. So theta equals to 315 degrees is another principal solution. Cos of 360 minus 45 degrees equals to cos of 315 degrees equals to 1 upon root 2 implies cos theta equals to cos 315 degrees implies theta equals to 315 degrees, which can be written as 7 pi upon 4. Therefore theta equals to pi by 4 and theta equals to 7 pi by 4 are principal solution of equation cos theta equals to 1 upon root 2. Let us solve one more question. Find principal solution of tan theta equals to minus root 3. From the table of standard angle, we know that tan 60 degrees equals to root 3. So this is first thing we must decide, that for what angle the tan theta value is root 3. So tan 60 equals to root 3. So first information, tan theta that is tan 60 degrees equals to root 3. But in the question, it is minus root 3. So how to handle it? For that, you need to go back to table of allied angle. From allied angle, you have to search where tan theta is negative. You see, here is a tan theta negative, that is tan of 180 minus theta equals to minus tan theta. Is there any other possibilities where tan theta is negative? Yes, you see, tan of 360 minus theta is again minus tan theta. So we got the two values here, tan 360 minus theta equals to minus tan theta. I am showing you once again. You see, tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. One more place. Here is the tan, go straight, and here and here. So tan of 360 minus theta equals to minus tan theta. So from the allied angle, we got these two values. Tan of 180 minus theta equals to minus tan theta, and tan of 360 minus theta equals to minus tan theta. Therefore, tan of 180 minus 60, in place of theta, we already received the theta equals to 60 degree. So in place of theta, now keep 60 degrees. So that is tan of 120 degrees. Tan of 120 degrees equals to minus root 3, implies theta equals to 120 degrees, which can be written as pi by 3 multiplied by 2, that is a 2 pi by 3. And tan of the second result is tan of 360 minus theta equals to minus tan theta. So 360, and in place of theta write down 60 degrees, that is equals to tan of 300, that is tan of 300 equals to minus root 3, implies theta equals to 300 degrees, which can be written as pi by 3 multiplied by 5, that is a 5 pi by 3. Therefore, theta equals to 5 pi by 3, implies theta equals to 2 pi by 3, and theta equals to 5 pi by 3 are principal solutions of equation, trigonometric equation tan theta equals to minus root 3. To test your understanding, here I got a question for you. Find principal solution of cot theta equals to minus 1 divided by root 3. Please solve this and write down your solution in comment box. Let us see how many of you get correct solution. Meet you again with next video. In next video, I am going to solve the trigonometric equation to find general solutions.